Hear that? What up? So after months of talking with Creality, troubleshooting the Ender 3 V3 Plus, they finally sent two parts, the copper graphite bushing and a linear bearing. And it's loud. It's been loud this whole time. And it's this one right here and this one. So when it goes, only when it goes left to right, it's just vibrating so loud. And I can't stand it anymore. Before it was fine, but so we're gonna replace that. We've already checked, you know, if the rods are level, if everything else is level. None of that has to do with what's grinding in here. I've gotten you know, oil and all this other shit, silicone and everything to try to help it, because on the forum of Creality, you know, everyone's talking about the same issue. So, but they finally sent some parts, and hopefully it's this. We're gonna clean it. We're gonna take it out, clean it, replace them, and hopefully that's it. We'll do a test one. First thing we're gonna do is you push down on this white button, and it releases this. We'll cut this right here. I'll just cut that. We'll extrude that later. And then you're going to pull this out. It was zip tied here, so make sure you cut that off. But there's a clip. Let's ink that. So put that to the side, because we're going to take this off the rod. So next you're going to loosen these two. And then over here, then you're gonna loosen these, because this is what holds this little section. And then there's gonna be a spring, so make sure you watch out for that, because that's just gonna fly. And then usually you're supposed to take off like the casings and stuff, but I mean, I'd rather do that with having it in my hand. It's kind of annoying, because I've already done that before, but I didn't replace. I just kind of cleaned it. And then, yeah. And then, oh, you take this off too. I'll probably do that next. You take these off. This is for the belt, and the same on the other side. Okay. Okay, so for the pole, I did have to take the bottom two also off. So now it's just completely removed. The spring didn't. Oh my God. Okay. But yeah, so you take that off. Jesus. And then now, these are free to come off. I guess they come off over there too, so I guess it doesn't matter which way you go, but yeah, I need 2 hands for this, so I'll be right back. All right, so we're just gonna take off these screws here. And there's 2 back here. Oops, where is it? Right here. That comes off. There is a little fan. Take that out. So now we gotta take this plastic off. Oh, these two. So this looks like it goes here, and that's keeping that. There's screws right here. So we gotta take this off. Pretty much disassembling everything. Oh, I see, I see. Okay, so now unscrew on each side. Oh, right away. Hold on, we'll check that right now. There. All right, so let's see how dirty this was. Damn. I mean, so this wasn't what was vibrating from what I tell. It was this that was getting stuck. But I mean, this is self lubricating, so it's gonna look like that because I mean, there's lubrication every time it passes through. So just put that to the side. Okay. So to get to this side, you know, I'm gonna leave that there. That's annoying. Okay, so you need a smaller one, a T15. Oops. And there are 2 screws right here. Pretty much just like holding it in place, not really screws, they're just pushing back on it. I don't know what the... Wait, is that the right size? I don't think that's the right size. Oh, yeah, so the same size you've been using. But they're the kind of set-in screws. They just put pressure on it. They don't really bolt into anything. And there you go. Ow. Damn, well, this is... Looks pretty clean. So this is the tube that was giving me trouble. I don't feel any back and forths, but we'll see. All right, so now I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna clean the pole. No, actually, let's do it. I'm just gonna replace it. All right. So from China. CR5 Pro. Oh, so this is for something else. No, it's whatever. That's what it's called. Sorry. All right, so this is the part. Brand new. Where's the clean the inside first? Well, no, it's not even dirty. What's that? Yeah, it's fine. Pop that in. Oh, that's nice. All right, get the little set screws. I wonder if I should do them. I'm gonna just do it hand tight because I think I was reading on one of the forums too that if it's pushing too tight, and it's gonna be pushing too tight on the pole as well, and that can cause some friction. So what is that, like that? Sorry, damn. So bad out of frame. Wait. Okay. So now we've got that. This is gonna go up here, so we get the new one. This is the other part, graphite copper sleeve. Dash. Why are you giving me trouble? I guess there's a little play in here. It's fine. All right, I'm gonna put all this back and then see you right now. Also, before I put this in, I just noticed, let me see if I can get it. There's more wear and tear on certain sides, you see that? It's like brown and scratched. So I wonder if that's what was scratching. See? Compared to this side, and then that's the scratching. So I wonder if that's, I don't know. I guess we'll see. All right, it's finished extruding, and now we're gonna start print, and if it works, it works. If it doesn't, I mean, you know, what else can I do? I just gotta figure it out later, so. Yeah. I heard it, watch, when it goes across. Why? Well, back to the drawing board. Maybe it's a vibration thing. Maybe nothing's grinding. So we'll see. Oh well.